Quick recap what I demonstrated in the previous session, that is from the creation of controlling area to primary and secondary cost allocations. Initially we created one controlling area. Under that controlling area we created one cost center standard hierarchy. Under cost center standard hierarchy we created two cost center groups. Under cost center groups we created cost centers. At the cost center standard hierarchy level we created one default cost center or allocation cost center. The idea is to record initially all the cost with this allocation cost center. Later at the month end, CO user has to transfer this cost to different cost centers. This is nothing but your primary allocation. Later, whatever cost laid in service cost center has to transfer to production cost centers. This is nothing but your secondary allocation or secondary distribution. This is the basic idea of the entire business process. For this business process, these are different steps which we need to follow. First, create controlling area, OX06, standard cost center hierarchy creation, OKKP, cost center groups creation, KSH1, cost centers creation, KS01. Then fifth one, activate controlling components or controlling indicators, OKKP. Then sixth one, integration of controlling with financial accounting. Seventh one, default account assignment of cost center, OKB9. Deactivation of document splitting, SM30, and we need to use that table. Ledger specific journal entries posting in FB50L. Then 10th one, allocation process. 11, primary allocation, KSW1 cycle, KSW5, its execution. Secondary allocation, KSU1, KSU5. First one is controlling area. In this, what we covered? Define controlling area OX06, assign company code to controlling area OX19, maintain version, define ledger for CO version, cost elements creation FS00. Define controlling area OX06, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area OX06. Take question. Give a controlling area, select this one, show details. So this controlling area we created. Here we have cross company code cost accounting settings. It means one to multi setting. For one to multi, currency rule is group currency. So currency type 30, currency USD as per our SEC4 settings. In S4 for controlling, the chart of accounts and fiscal year variant must be same as per your FI. In S4, we have total 10 currencies. First FI currency or local currency will be your company code currency. Second FI currency or global currency will come from controlling area. For this reason, I created controlling area at the time of leading ledger creation. Here, one rule is there, one to one, one to multi. One to one means one controlling area having relation with one company code. One to multi means one controlling area having relation with multiple company codes. One to one, company code currency will be your second FI currency. One to multi, group currency will be your second FI currency. CO object currency. If you want to maintain any separate currency for CO object, again one rule is there. If one to one, freely definable currency. If relationship is one to multi, CO currency will be your CO object currency. Apart from these two, we can define 8 freely definable currencies in S4. Here my client is 100. Now we will see what is my group currency. Transaction code is SCC4. SCC4. So for client 100, group currency is USD. So for currency type 30, I need to maintain currency USD as my group currency. Assign company code to controlling area OX19, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, controlling. This one, assign company code to controlling area OX19. Take position. View a controlling area, select this one and assigning, assignment of company codes. Like this way we assigned our company code to controlling area. Now maintain version, define ledger for CO version, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization. Here this one, maintain version, define ledger for CO version, maintain version. Mainly version is used for your planning purpose. Here 0 is a system delivered version. You can consider this version for your planning. Select this, set for each fiscal year. Then system will ask you a controlling area, give you a controlling area, then proceed. So immediately system will create for 5 years. Now define ledger for CO version. Take position, give a controlling area. This means which version will pick values from which ledger. For this purpose, we need this configuration. Now cost elements creation, FS00. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing. Chart of account segment FSP0, company code segment FSS0, centrally FS00. Click this one. If you want to create new one, create, for example, 1007. See. GL account type. We have 5 GL account types. Out of these 5 types, GL account type P and S, system will consider as cost elements. For example, if I take a GL account type P, system will ask cost element category. These are the system delivered cost element categories. We need to select one of those. If I create GL account type S, system will ask cost element category again. For this, these are the cost element categories which we need to consider. So GL account type having P or S, system will consider as cost elements. These are the GL accounts I created having GL account type P, and these are the GL accounts I created having GL account type S, and this is GL account type C. Now standard cost center hierarchy creation, OKKP, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization, this one maintain controlling area, OKKP. Take position, give a controlling area, select this and details. Here we created cost center standard hierarchy. Now cost center groups creation, KSH1, cost center creation, KS01. You can create from SAP Easy Access individually, otherwise you can create at OKUON directly. At standard hierarchy level, you can create this cost center groups and cost centers. From SAP Easy Access, accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data, cost center group, KSH1, create. From here you can create cost center groups. Give a controlling area. Then you can create. Similarly, you can create cost centers. From here, cost center, individual processing, KS01, create. From here you can create cost centers. Otherwise, you can create directly from standard hierarchy level. Standard hierarchy, OKEON, change. From here, you can create cost center groups or cost centers. Under controlling area, we created one standard hierarchy. Under this standard hierarchy, we created cost center groups. Under these cost center groups, we created cost centers. At the standard hierarchy level, we created one common allocation cost center. Now, activate controlling components or controlling indicators, OKKP, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area, OKKP. Take position, give a controlling area, select this and activate components or controlling indicators. These are the components or indicators we activated. Cost centers we activated, activity types we activated, order management activated, commitment management activated. Like this way, we can activate components or control indicators. Now the sixth step is integration of controlling with financial accounting. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, integration of controlling with financial accounting. Define document type for postings in controlling. If you click this one, if you want to create your own document type, go new entries and take. But no need, already system delivered document type is there, that is CO. You can use this document type for your controlling purposes. This document type CO is there. For this, give the number range in your company code settings. Come back. Define document type mapping variant for CO business transaction. If you click this one, this is the standard mapping variant. See, all these are different CO business transactions are there already mapped with the document type CO. If you want to create your own, go for new entries and create. But no need. Right now we can use this standard mapping variant for our controlling business purposes. You can define values for postings in controlling. Take position, give a company code. It means once we have document type CO, then we should have one ledger group. It means where this document should be posted, in which ledger it should be posted. So here I am taken leading ledger. If I not specify anything, it will copy all in our active ledgers. That's why we need to specify the ledger group for this standard mapping variant. Now default account assignment of cost center, transaction code is OKB9. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, manual actual postings, manage default account assignment, transaction code is OKB9. Take position, give a company code. See this one. This is my company code TZ10. These are cost elements 1000 to 1006. This is a default account assignment. Now deactivation of document splitting, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transaction, document splitting. For document splitting, I need to do all this configuration. Right now, I not completed document splitting configuration. If I post any entry, system will throw error. That's why temporarily I am deactivating the document splitting configuration. Activate, then deactivate. Take position, give a company code. Just check this box. It will inactive your document splitting configuration. Now ledger specific journal entries posting in FB50L. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, FB50, FB50L. FB50 normal posting, FB50L ledger specific posting. If I not posted ledger specific through FB50, it will be copied in all your active ledgers. That's why I will post ledger specific postings in FB50L. 10th step is allocation process. In allocation process, first one is maintain number ranges for controlling documents. Transaction code KANK. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization. Maintain number ranges for controlling documents. KANK. Give a controlling area. Intervals. So this is the interval we given from 1000 to 1999. And this is the group we created, TZ10 CO internal document. Under this group, I included 3 business transactions, RKIB, RKIU, RKS. Now create SKFs, KK01. As per our plan, how many SKFs we need to create? 2 SKFs we need to create. One for number of employees, another for meter reading. Accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data, statistical key figures, individual processing, KK01. Create. Like this, we can create statistical key figures. Now enter the actual SKFs. Transaction code is KB31N. Accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, statistical key figures, KB31N. Enter. Here we need to enter our actual SKFs. This is a recurring activity. Every month end, user has to enter these statistical key figures regularly. Posting periods FY and CO, OP52 and OKP1. Make sure your posting periods in OP52 and OKP1 should be kept open. Otherwise, system will throw error. OB52. Give a posting period variant, TMP1. In S4, we have 3 periods. Period 1, that is from 1 to 12 for regular postings. Period 2, this is from 13 to 16 for your year-end adjustments, special periods. And period 3, it was added in S4 only. So this period 3 is for FI-CO reconciliation. It means data flow from CO to FI. Make sure this period 3 should be kept open before executing the cycle. If you not maintain any period in period 3, system will assume whatever you are maintaining for period 1, it will assume for period 3 also. Now OKP1, fiscal year 2024. This is controlling period. Which transaction now we are performing? Actual period repostings. Period 5. Make sure it should be kept open. If you check this box, it is locked. It means it locked. If you uncheck, it means it is open. Make sure both should be kept open in OB52 as well as OKP1. Otherwise, system will throw error. After 10th one allocation process, now 11th one is primary allocation. In primary allocation, we have 2, KSW1, KSW5. KSW1 is cycle creation. KSW5 is cycle execution. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, period end closing. For primary allocation, we have periodic repostings and distribution. These 2 methods we have. These 2 business transactions we have. Here I used periodic repostings for my primary allocation. Periodic repostings. Define periodic reposting KSW1. This one. Create actual cycle. This way you can create periodic reposting cycles in KSW1. Now we created a cycle in KSW1. Now cycle execution in case W5, accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, period end closing, single function, case W5, periodic repostings. Here give the details and execute the cycle. So here we completed periodic reposting cycle. That is primary allocation we completed. Now final one is secondary allocation. Case U1 cycle creation, case U5 cycle execution. In before secondary allocation we have to create secondary cost GLs in FS00. Here we have 5 cost centers. Out of 5 cost centers, these 3 are production and these 2 are service cost centers. So we need to create secondary cost elements for these 2 cost centers, these 2 service cost centers in FS00. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, period end closing, assessment. Assessment, maintain assessment, case U1. Here we need to create an assessment cycle for executing the secondary allocation. We created assessment cycle in case U1. Now assessment cycle execution case U5. Accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, period end closing, single function, allocation, case U5, assessment. Here we need to execute the assessment cycle. So with this secondary allocation completed. So these are the steps we use to from creation of controlling area to primary and secondary cost allocation. This is just a recapture what we discussed in the previous session. If anybody not watched the previous session, I am giving the link in the description below. Go through and watch the entire video so that you can get good knowledge about the controlling module, how we can create controlling area. From there, how you can do primary and secondary cost allocations. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.